today, Armand?
Bored.
Bored? Well, you're gonna have so much fun on this show. So, Armand, what job do you work for? I saw you were
A cat.
You're a cat sitter and you're
No,
the boss.
I like a cat.
You're a cat sitter. Nice. You're the boss of the cat sitter. Look at that. So what else do you do?
Taking a nap and working.
Oh, you're working and taking a nap? That sounds so boring.
Nope.
Nope, it's not boring.
It takes so long.
It takes long.
Yeah. Working
How many hours of work do you do?
20 hours.
20? Oh my, you just have 4 hours to sleep?
No, I really not 10.
You sleep 10?
I build $1. I take a nap.
Oh.
Take a million.
So can you say what's your favorite milk to drink?
Cow milk.
Cow milk? What kind of cow? Brown, pink, or white cow?
Red.
Red cow?
The red cap.
So what else do you do?
Drink milk and work and take a nap and
Do you
one.
have a pet?
Yep.
What is it?
A cat.
What's its name?
My name Marsha.
His name Marsha?
Yeah, I name Marsha.
Okay, we're gonna go. Bye guys. See you on part 2.
What's that?